Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. This is a giant bandage. So it's 12 inches by 30, huge. Let me come up just a little bit. So this is going to be a kit, something for like a vehicle kit, a home kit, things like that. You're not going to have this in your range bag probably, not in your IFAC, but this is going to be for that big nasty wound that's bleeding a lot. So you've got lots of bandaging here, lots of absorbent pad to put on a bandage to hold pressure and to stop that bleeding. Like I said, this is not going to be for some minor scratch. This is for a giant laceration that doesn't need a tourniquet. Like I wouldn't be using this for something that needs a tourniquet, but I could wrap this on an arm or a leg and then use a pressure bandage like an Israeli, an Elias, a NAR, trauma dressing, something like that, and then secure this to the extremity, to the wound, things like that. Maybe even a head if you had a really bad head lag. But this is going to be something you're going to need a pressure bandage, something that's got some weight to it to kind of keep it secure onto the arm, the leg. So this is how it comes packaged. And then I did open it up for you guys. So we appreciate all the support you guys give us over at Medical Gear Outfitter. I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching.